Hi, my name is Mads. Let's talk about setting up multiple positions from the same event using the Wwise Unity integration. More specifically, let's talk about the AkAmbient's large mode. Alternatively to the AkAvent script, you can use the AkAmbient script to post an event. In fact, if the AkAmbient is set to simple mode, it will work exactly like an AkAvent script. However, the AkAmbient offers a few more features, one of them being the large mode. The large mode allows you to add multiple positions for the same event selected in the AkAmbient without the expense of adding more sounds or voice instances. To demonstrate this, we'll be using a scene in the Wwise Adventure Game Unity project called AkAmbient Positioning Types. And if you want to learn even more details along the way, you can head into the Wwise-301 documentation available on our website. So in Unity, you now see 3 scenes, but you'll only be working in one of them, where all the audio is implemented. Here you'll find the ambient lava game object, and on it, an AkAmbient component. Notice that the lava event is already selected, so all you need to do is pick another positioning type. Now, as you select the large mode, a new set of options will appear below. Here you can either add a position or pick an existing one. Let's add one, and then look below the buttons. Here the new position will be listed, and if you click on it, you will be directed to the positions game object in the hierarchy. So how do we move it? Well, no differently than moving any other game object, by using the move tool in Unity. With that, you select the game object and start positioning it where you want it to be. Okay, so that's one sound position. But that is not quite enough to represent something like the lava, so we need more. Let's add a few positions in each of these quadrants. And then let's take a look at how well we covered the area by enabling attenuation spheres. Well, it's covered pretty well, but if you find gaps in between the points, you can either add more positions or readjust the attenuation radius of the lava sound. If you want to learn more about how to use Wwise in Unity, check out the Wwise-301 Certification.